In last session, we created the purchasing organization. In this session, we'll see how to create the purchasing group. Purchasing group is nothing but person responsible for buying goods from the vendors and which we update in the purchasing requisition. To create the purchasing group, click on SPRO. We'll go with the path. Click on SAP reference IMG. If you don't want to follow this path, you can directly use the T code OME4 to create the purchasing group. Once you are in the implementation guide, go to the materials management, click on purchasing. In purchasing, you will have the options to create purchasing group. Click on purchasing group, click on new entry. Here provide some meaningful name, 3-character name. For example, ARP I am providing. Provide the name, person name who is responsible for buying. For example, Shish, Ashish Mehra. Provide telephone number of him. If you want to update fax number, telephone number, that also you can maintain here. And at last, you can maintain email address. These all details will be available against the purchasing group, and that purchasing group we can use in purchase requisition while creating the purchase requisition, so that this person will be responsible for that buying object, whichever you are buying from the vendors. Once all details updated, you can cross check once and then click on save. It will ask you to save your changes in respective tier. Click on continue and the data will be saved. This is how we can create purchasing group. Thanks.